Hello, word. Welcome back to your daily dose of vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Today's word is comfortable. It's an A2 level adjective meaning feeling relaxed. So, what does it really mean to be comfortable? Well, it describes a state of ease, both physically and mentally. Think of it as the opposite of being stressed or uneasy. When you're comfortable, you're free from discomfort and able to relax. In everyday language, we use comfortable to describe anything from a cozy chair to a relaxing vacation. Now, let's explore some synonyms for comfortable. One synonym is relaxed. For example, I feel very relaxed after my yoga session. Another is cozy. Imagine saying, "This blanket is so cozy. It makes me want to curl up and read a book." We can also use the word at ease. For instance, she felt completely at ease talking to her friend. Another great synonym is content. He felt content sitting by the fire with his family. Finally, we can use snug, such as the baby was snug in her warm blanket. Now let's consider the flip side, the antonyms of comfortable. The first that comes to mind is uncomfortable. This chair is very uncomfortable. Another antonym is uneasy. For example, I feel uneasy about the upcoming exam. We can also use stressed. She felt stressed about her workload. Another antonym is restless. For example, the children were restless during the long car ride. Or we could use agitated. He became agitated waiting in the long line. How can we use comfortable in our everyday lives? Well, you might say, I am comfortable with my decision. Or, make yourself comfortable. You could also say, this is a very comfortable shirt. Common expressions include comfortable shoes, which everyone knows are essential for a long day of walking, or a comfortable silence, describing a peaceful moment with someone without the need for conversation. Here are some more usage examples of comfortable in sentences and phrases. Are you comfortable in that seat? She wanted a comfortable life for her children. He felt more comfortable speaking in his native language. The hotel room was clean and comfortable. They have a very comfortable relationship. He is financially comfortable. She wasn't comfortable with the idea. It's important to be comfortable in your own skin. I'm not comfortable sharing my personal information. We had a comfortable conversation. This is a comfortable place to work. He makes a comfortable living. Please make yourself comfortable while you wait. She wore comfortable clothes for the journey. The temperature in the room was comfortable. So, to recap, comfortable is an adjective that describes a feeling of relaxation and ease. We explored synonyms like relaxed, cozy, at ease, content, and snug. We also examined antonyms such as uncomfortable, uneasy, stressed, restless, and agitated. Remember, being comfortable is about finding a state of physical and mental ease, whether it's through a cozy blanket, a relaxed conversation, or just feeling good in your own skin. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found today's episode comfortable and informative. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and continue learning English. And now, for your homework, create your own sentence using the word comfortable and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to read them.
See you next time.